on Spirit XL. Today the alarm went off at 6 with the mission of measuring the sail area. So we did the main sail and now we are dealing with the Genoa. These poor sails.
I suspect they're measuring me up for some snazzy new sails. Thrilling, right? Then Jason climbed the mast, discovering it in better shape than he thought. It's definitely not in the best conditions, but this is what I have. It's a shame that the Dyneema rigging and his parts are so worn, again for lack of maintenance. I could see myself in a slightly more sporty setup.
Oh, pretty stoked. She's starting to look like a boat. All the hatches and windows have been resealed now, so we don't have to worry about any leaks. And yeah, we're slowly getting there. We've got the stainless frame sitting just here on the nets that's normally over the cockpit. We've got a new cover being made for that. Just lashed our little bimini up. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it looks nice. Don't get too close though. Yeah, unfortunately the quality of anything you get done in Costa Rica is not really great. You can see. Just have a look at the stitching. Look how nice and straight that is. The cover's not bad. It'll give us shade and it'll get us back to Australia, and that's the main thing. But yeah, it looks cool from a distance. And next thing I'll borrow a heat gun and rip off the name. To give people an idea of what we're dealing with here. This is the anchor locker. See the chain? It's probably about 10 mil now. It was probably 12 mil when it started its life. But yeah, you can see it. It's shocking. Look at the state of the windlass. Look at the corrosion. And then have a look at the rust in the bottom of the locker. And then you go to sea and you wonder why stuff doesn't work. It's really sad. It's so sad. Look at this. Just wires cut off. Anyway, we will fix it. We will win.
So I give him probably 20-30 coats of rust dissolver. It's a lot more firm, and now I'm going to paint it.
That is where we decored yesterday. Not sure if you'll be able to see much in there. But yeah, the balsa doesn't look too bad. It was pretty black around where the screw holes are, so we dug it right out there.
Another day, another job. What's happening, Spirit? Are you being tickled? That is more like a facial that you're getting done. Happy sanding it so the glue will stick better. Are you giving a facial to our Spirit? Facial treatment.
Botox.
Botox? Cap teach me the PPPPP rule. That is prior preparation. What's happening?
Prior preparation prevents piss poor performance.
So here we are getting ready to epoxy the poor scar face of Spirit.
5 pumps of that, 5 of that, and a sprinkle of microfiber adhesive filler until that you reach the right consistency.
Nice time of the day. Nearly 5 o'clock, so nearly time to go for our walk. So here's what we did today. So yeah, I think looks good. I think we got really good bonding. and yeah, we put it in really all nice and deep. Kitty first brushed in resin really well, nice and thick, and then I came along and put in the bog.
Installing the edges.
You can't imagine the joy of being leak-free. I love having my butt in salty water, but dealing with all those leaks made me feel more like a sieve than a boat. In this video, I shared a glimpse of what's been happening outside in recent months. There's always room for improvement, but the key, as I see it, is reaching a safe state to embark on this journey. If I grasp it correctly, our adventure will bring us initially to Panama, then across the Pacific, leading us to Jason's family in Australia. I'm thrilled to meet them. Can't wait for the exciting times ahead.